Today is Thursday, June 9th, 2022. Today's plane is Piggyback Jet, Shuttle Carrier by Kyung H. Lee.
All you folded last time.
Ignore the talking.
All you folded last time. It's also this one.
It's also this. Whenever you hear talking, just ignore it. You might not like it. Sorry. It just happens. Probably most YouTubers you have heard of have like no background noises, but it's just how it is in my channel. You can mute it and just look at my hand actions if you want.
Why are you talking about that?
So really fold in half. It's your fourth PBJ, which is short for the name.
Remember, it's Piggyback Shuttle Carrier. So that's what they are for. It's
You fold up two
Piggyback Shuttle Carrier. So that's what it's called. Remember,
I know it says United States. And there's a lot of United States flags on this plane.
there's one that has Turkey on it.
You might not be watching this video in the United States, but this is just a plane.
Remember, I looked at one and it said that it has one.
Here's PBJ04. Bye.